guys, welcome back to my mom's channel. I'm her daughter Lexi, and today I'm going to be doing I don't know what to call them yet. And if you guys want to help me, you guys can help me in the comments to tell me what I should call them. So this is what I made. And I made another one. So let's get started. Okay, so what I'm going to use for this is these stickers that my mom got from Dollar Tree. And a heart punch to cut out the hearts, what you're going to use. And any type of color straw you want. So, and scissors. And this ribbon, any color ribbon you want to make it go well. And I made some bows with my mom with a different color of this kind of ribbon, and yeah. And you're going to need a hot glue gun or any type of glue.
Well, if they're kids, they should use their parent supervision, right? Mm-hmm. Because you got to be careful with the glue gun. Let them know that.
Okay. So parent supervision if you're a kid, like I am.
Yeah. Your mama lets you use the glue gun, but that's just because I watch you.
Mm-hmm. So I went and cut out some of these hearts. Some of these hearts, they look like this. And I made two different types. And I'm going to use a different paper to make some more. Hold on, I need to cut this. Oh, never mind. So I stick it in there and I punch it. That's his side. Well, I only need two. That's it. Okay. So then I'll take some of these stickers, any one you want. And what you do is you take this peeling back and you space it out wherever you want it. And you stick it to there. Then I'm going to take any straw and then I'm going to eyeball it and I'm going to cut it to whatever measure. Well, it's kind of going to be small, so I'm going to cut it to a little bit small. And then you take any side you want. You take any side you want and you press it hard. Then you
flatten it.
Yeah, flatten it. Then you get your hot glue gun. And you put.
And they gotta be real careful with the hot glue gun, right?
Oh yeah, a little bit on there. And you stick it on there. Like that. And you still gotta add the bow. So I'm gonna make a bow real fast using this ribbon.
Show them in the frame, baby. Tie it in so you can see it, yeah. And you like tying those bows, don't you?
Yep.
What did you say about tying them?
It make me calm. And then kind of make it even, a little bit smaller, so we can see the words for this. Then I snip it a little bit. Okay, so that's the way I make bows. And if you guys make bows different, then yeah. And then I'm gonna kind of space it out so you can see the words.
Do you want to use that silver one or you want to use your pink ones?
I'm gonna try one with the silver and then the pink.
Okay.
And then put the back. Take a little bit of hot glue, put a dot on there, and then you could go ahead and stick it.
Show on the camera.
Press on there a little bit more, and the straw is a little bit too big, so I'm gonna cut it to right here, like that. So that's one. You guys can add any kind of type of decoration to it. I'm just gonna leave it like that. So I'm gonna make my second one. I'm gonna use one of these, one of the ones I been had, and yeah. And then I'm gonna put a white one of these. It says XO. Take it off. Take the back peeling off, and space it out.
So what can they use these embellishments for? They're embellishments, right?
Mm-hmm.
What can they use them for? You said that you wanna make them for
Like cupcake
toppers.
Yeah. Or you guys can make it for cards, Valentine cards.
That'd be cute. Glue to a card.
And then
that's a good idea.
I'm gonna get. This time I'm gonna use this pink one.
So cut it to the size that you're gonna use, Alexi, so you don't waste any of the straw. Why don't you measure it out? So
take the other one, and I'm gonna. There. These straws are kind of hard to cut. So I'm gonna press down on it again, flatten it, add a hot glue to it.
But not a lot, just a little. There you go.
And press it on there.
Are you in frame?
Yeah.
Make sure they can see what you're doing.
And press it on there. Be careful so you won't burn yourself. And like I said,
so
I was
pretty.
gonna get the pink bow. Again, I'm gonna try evening it out. And snipping it to the side I want it to be.
It looks so cute, baby. Guys, she came up with this idea herself. She showed me what she made. I'm like, those are so cute. You want to do a tutorial on my channel? She said yes.
And then again, add a little bit glue.
You could probably make a lot of those with that one straw, right?
Mm-hmm.
How many do you think? Like maybe 4 or 5?
Oh, I burned myself. Dang it.
You okay?
Yeah. So, gotta be careful. So I'm gonna use this piece of straw to put it on there, so I don't burn myself. And that's it. Yeah. So that's it. This is all I used. This is them. They keep falling off of the string.
So you want them to comment in the comment section and let them know what we should call these?
Mm-hmm.
What were you thinking about calling them?
Mini Valentine cupcake toppers.
Okay.
So this is what I made right now. And these are the other ones.
So cute.
So guys, if you like this video, give big thumbs up and hit the notification bell, I think that's what it's called. So you can know when we put up videos. And if you guys want me to do more videos, like I guess my mom, then write it in the comments. And goodbye, guys. Goodbye.
Bye, guys. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you next time.